Does traceability mean something to you? As suppliers and agents, you are at the heart of the production process, and brands in the clothing and textile industry rely on you to provide reliable, transparent information on the manufacturing chain upstream for producing their collections. Why is this essential? 3 key reasons. Meet consumer expectations. Reinforce brand credibility. Comply with European regulations, which already require that clearer information be provided to consumers, as well as full traceability for products introduced in the European market. Take a bra or a pair of jeans. These products are made up of multiple elements: textiles, knits, lace, fabrics, but also accessories. For example, for a bra, strap, bow, hooks, underwires, and for a pair of denim jeans, zips, rivets, buttons. How can we certify the origin of these components and claims made concerning their eco-design? From now on, brands must collect reliable, conclusive data at each stage of production. And this is where you play an important role. By sharing key information, such as the country of origin and specific operations of their production stages, plus the weight and certifications of materials and components, by supplying verified data. By being a link in this chain, you, in turn, need to involve your partners in collecting traceability data. This data is used solely to guarantee the conformity of textile products. By responding to marketers' requests for traceability data, you become a key player in a more transparent, responsible textile industry. You reduce the risk of nonconformity and prevent authorities from blocking access to the European market. By meeting brands' requirements, you reinforce your partnerships while helping to restore consumer confidence in our industry. So, together, let's commit to sustainable fashion.